What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef. We back at it again with another video today, man. I'm excited because the video today is all about y'all, all of my loyal subscribers, and all of the new subscribers that came to the channel. Man, we finally gonna be doing this giveaway that I mentioned a couple weeks ago in one of my videos. This is a dash cam, and I'm giving this thing away for free to one of my lucky subscribers. And this is the one, man, I purchased this for myself when everything crazy was happening with my car. So this is a really good one. Y'all can check it out on Amazon. So, you know, I know that the lucky winner is gonna definitely love this particular product. So I'm gonna make this giveaway very simple, very easy for y'all. So I finally gave in and created a TikTok account. So we got the official Grim Runner TikTok account up and rolling. It's been going for about 2 weeks now, and I'm already over, I think, almost going on 300 followers. I was gonna say subscribers, but I forgot, it's followers on TikTok. So this is all y'all gotta do. Head over to the official Grim Runner TikTok. All we need to do is reach 500 subscribers on TikTok, and then all you need to do is drop a comment in this video right here saying that you went and followed me on TikTok and that you want this camera. That's it. We literally just only a couple, probably about what? Well, I think let me look at my phone because we real close, man. But I appreciate y'all. You know what? The last couple weeks have actually been really good. I know I didn't post for probably about a week and a half or two, but that's because I was on honeymoon, and then also my daughter's birthday was on August 1st. Her fourth birthday was on August 1st. So we was doing a lot of celebrating, and I've been having a very good time. And you know what, man, this is crazy. Look, we actually at 283. So I kind of underestimated myself. The channel, you know what, man, I gotta stop saying the YouTube terminology. It's the page. So the TikTok page has been up for 2 weeks, and we at 283 followers. So literally all we need to do is get to 500 and we go get this thing away. So yeah, that's simple. Head over to TikTok, go ahead and follow me, and then go ahead and drop a comment in this video saying that you want this camera and that you followed me on TikTok. Also, man, I tried to install, this is funny as hell, man. I tried to install the CCI caliber covers. Now, y'all probably gonna beat me over the head for this. So, and I was pissed off too. So I tried to use the jack that actually comes with the car instead of actually getting, you know, one of the, whatever you call those jacks. I don't want to get the name wrong right now, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The one that you can roll and you press the hydraulic jack. There you go. It just came to me. So instead of getting a hydraulic jack, I was like, you know what? Our car comes with a jack, and maybe I can use that to install this particular mod. So man, I was mad because I got all my equipment. I probably put a few clips up in here just to give y'all some bloopers, but I tried to go ahead and lift the car up with that particular jack, and the car, the tire literally raised up like this much, dude. So I was hot, man. I got this AC blowing, y'all. It's blowing in my eye. Let me turn this down. But I was hot because I'm like, damn, I did all of this work and I couldn't even install those things. So I'm gonna give it a shot again. I actually ordered a hydraulic jack on Amazon, so that should be coming, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and get that mod installed. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the mods right now. I was actually gonna buy a taser, but I just found out that if you got the 7-inch Uconnect, that you don't get track mode. So that kind of pissed me off because I was like this close to ordering that thing, and then I found out that you won't get track mode if you got a 7-inch Uconnect. So I'm gonna see if it's possible to upgrade to, I think it's like the 8.4 or something like that. How could that even be possible? But we'll get that part figured out. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all, you know, for sticking around, for watching all the videos. The videos and the channel still been growing like crazy. We coming up on 12,000 subs. So I want to get a lot more interactive on both platforms. You know, we gonna have the followers come from TikTok that are gonna come over here, and then I know a lot of y'all are gonna go over there. So we go kind of be, you know, playing both sides of the field. So I'm gonna still be uploading content on YouTube 100%. I'm still trying to figure out what direction I want to go in. Definitely we gonna keep doing mods because I need to get my hood redone. I want to get the top wrapped. I want to get the trunk wrapped. I am gonna keep the car. So that's what I'm thinking about right now. I'm not thinking about trading it in. I wanted the Scat Pack wide body so bad, but at this point with these high interest rates and these prices, man, it is not even worth it. I'd rather just stick with my car, stack my bread up, wide body this thing out, build it, and just keep it, because I absolutely love this car. And yeah, man, we go ahead and we go do it up like that. I'm excited, and I appreciate y'all. So yeah, I don't want to take too much of y'all time. We will have a video coming out this Sunday, whether it be a short or rather it be an actual long form piece of content. I'm still trying to figure everything out, because the YouTube algorithm is kind of changing and it's leaning more towards this short content, but I still want to keep making long content. So we go get it figured out. But I appreciate every single one of y'all for sticking through. Make sure y'all smash the thumbs up on this video, even though I know it's not gonna go far, because this is specifically for y'all. I want to reward y'all with this product. So yeah, let's see who gonna win, and I will announce the winner on the video. And yeah, that's it, and that's all. So I appreciate y'all. I got thrown off by this little week, man. There's so many packages get brought to this community every day, all day. But yeah, I'm out. I'm out just like that, man. One.